It's delicious.
Oh my god.
You like it?
I love it.
Oh, damn it. Yeah, welcome back, guys. No, just met me and my wife. We used to do a lot of cooking videos and stuff. So this one particular video is in the phone that she loves so much. I think that day,
I love them all. I do. And eventually we're going to try to post them all.
I think that day, that's the one that I used to really take her away. Or what we guys would say in Jamaica, you tie them. Yeah, so this one particular video, she's been on my skin every day. Babe, I want to post it, and I think we should post it. So yeah, I did consider it and so forth. And yeah, I think we're just gonna give you guys that content to see and see, just to see her reaction and how she behaved in that video.
So we were together 2 months at that point in time. Not together, but like friends and living next door to each other. And so we've got lots of videos of him coming over and cooking and stuff like that. So this was like part of who we were right from when we met.
It was the foundation process of we getting to know each other, you understand?
Yeah.
And just the fact that we could find joy and happiness in doing this. I used to just go over, even if I'm coming from work or whatever the case is, I used to just go over and, you know what I mean, just to make her day. We would like sit down and discuss about our culture, and you know what I mean, just to get to know each other. We'd go to the river, beaches and so forth, and just to get to know each other. And we cook a lot of food, guys. So
and I wanted to know how to cook your food. Like, it was so good. I'm like, teach me how to cook this way.
She was interested. And and pretty much you get to know to cook a lot of stuff. I teach her, understand even the juice. She's just willing to learn the culture and so forth. So she decided she want to share this with you guys, and who am I to stop it?
This one is what, chicken, sausage?
Yeah, it was that like it was
pasta.
Actually chicken Alfredo pasta, and I just had some sausages, some bang sausage to it, and it was a hit, guys. And just to see her reaction in the video, I am really happy, and just to see you guys react to it, we are looking forward to that. So let's bring it on, babe. I think we should post it, so let's bring it on and see how it goes. So
maybe you guys might even want to try to cook it, because we've got all of the instructions on there. So
guys,
so hope you enjoy it.
Remember, like, share, comment and subscribe, and we appreciate all the loves. And remember, turn the notification bell on so you get all the uploads. And blessings, guys. Have a good one.
Bye. We mix it together. Get that seasoning nicely in that chicken. Maggi seasoning, pepper, salt, and garlic. And we're going to use penne pasta. Penne pasta, boiling in some salt water. We have some carrot, green pepper, onion, and garlic cut up. Seasoned chicken strips. It's chicken breast, but we cut it in strips. Some sausage, and we have some scallion in some ice cold water for garnish. So we cook the pasta al dente, and then we mix some oil in with it so it won't stick together. Now this is the magic going to happen now. It's butter, onion, garlic, and some carrot. Then we're going to add the chicken and sausage. And the pepper. little bit of hot chili peppers for a little spice. We add the green pepper. A little stir. Then we added some heavy cream and then some Parmesan cheese.
It's delicious.
Oh my god.
You like it?
I love it.
Oh, damn it. Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?